name is Jessica Angelo, and this is my CIT 336 final demonstration. So the first thing I'll show is the welcome message that appears when the client or the user logs in. So when you log in, the welcome message is displayed with the client first name. And if you click log out, then that message turns back into please click my account to log in. So I'll log in as a different user so you can see. Now it says welcome admin because that's the user's first name is admin. Alright, so this welcome message can be viewed. It's displayed across all views no matter where you click around in the website. That welcome message is always going to be there because the code is written in the header. So that will always show up there no matter where you're at in the website. Alright, and then this welcome message is clickable. And when you click it, it takes you to the admin view where you can see your account information. And you can also see your product reviews here as well, which I'll show in just a few minutes. Let's see. Okay, so to leave a product or a new product review, you can click on the product detail page. So we'll start with mortar, and you can see here that the username appears here, and it's a read-only, so you can't click on that at all. You can't edit this text at all. The only thing you can edit is this. You can't do anything with this. So I'll say admin mortar review. Add the review. And then you can see that the mortar review is showing up right here with the username, the date, and the review for the review that I just left. If I go to a different product, do Catapult this time, admin Catapult review, then that review will show up on Catapult, and it will not show up on mortar. So the reviews are showing up correctly in the corresponding product view pages. And you can see here that if I refresh my database, that those reviews were just added to the database, so those are showing up there. And just for fun, I'll show if I log in as a different person. And then I can leave a review here as well. We'll say Jessica Mortar review. And I'll show this. This demonstrates two things. So first of all, the reviews are showing up in the order that we were asked to put them in. So my review shows up at the top, since this is the newest review that has been left about this product, and the admin, since the admin review is the older review, it shows up on the bottom. And you can see that the mortar reviews are showing up here, and also that the correct usernames are showing up here with the corresponding review, so you can see what user left which review. And I'll just show one more time Catapult that this is showing up. And while I'm in here, I'll go ahead and show these views are valid HTML. These are valid in HTML. This is my HTML validator. Any errors would show up right here. So it's just a plugin for Google Chrome. All right, and then you saw that the reviews were in the database table. There's 3 now since I just added another review. All right, next I will show you the client admin view. So if I click on the welcome message, I'm delivered again to the admin view page, and this also is valid HTML. And this is not correct. I tried to figure this out. I worked on this for several days and just could not figure it out, but this is one thing I wasn't able to get working correctly. But since you can see that all of admin's reviews are showing up here as well as mine, so all the reviews are showing up here, they shouldn't be But anyway, so if you were to click to modify a review, you can modify that. So I'll just add a 2 at the end and update the review, and you can see that it delivers the admin view again with the updated review, and it updates in the database as well. So you can see that 2 added right there to the end of my review. Let's see. And the other thing that I wanted to show is that if I were to clear this out and try to update the review like this, you'll say please fill out this form field, and then if I get rid of that HTML side validation, it says please provide information for all empty form fields. So I can't just submit a blank review there. So I have to, I'll do another one here, update, Jessica's review update. So there's my review update right there. Also showing up in the table, Jessica's review update. And you can see that that's working correctly. So I can modify any of these reviews that way. And then to delete a review, it takes you to this page. A warning shows up once deleted, review cannot be undone, and shows the review update. This is read only, so I can't modify or change any of this text or anything like that. And then if I click delete review, it says review was successfully deleted. Oh, and then I'll show really quick if the message that shows up. So if it says, if I update a review, congratulations, your review is successfully updated. So like I can update these reviews as well, and that success message will show up. I think that is all that I need to show for this. It looks like I hit everything on the list. I showed that these are valid HTML. I showed a couple of different pages to make sure you can see that where I've done some work on this for the final that it's valid in HTML. And my CSS files are it's the same across all my platforms. So these are the same CSS files that are applied to every page. I don't have anything separated. I don't have separate CSS files for different pages. So I'll just show that these are valid. Small, medium, and large CSS views are all valid in CSS. So I think that is pretty much it. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. And I'm happy with that I was able to get as far as I did on this. It was very challenging, but I was able to do it, and I'm excited that I was able to get as much done as I was able to. So anyways, thanks for watching.